There, you can see the sign right there. It says Detroit and Detroit Cannabis Company. So we're going to be going down something called Chalmers Street, and we're going to be taking a right in a moment. Right now we're on Jefferson. Kind of cool. Magic Crystal, kind of stuff like that. And right, there's a car wash. So yeah, we're in Detroit, and we're going to be going down Chalmers Street. Let's check it out. Another little part of Detroit for you. There's the name right there, Chalmers. The sign in front of me says Detroit Yacht Club. So we're gonna go down this one, Chalmers Street, see what it's all about. Show you what it looks like. And that Jefferson goes all the way down to downtown Detroit, and this one just basically goes in Detroit and just goes north. So, but that other one is kind of between downtown Detroit and Grosse Pointe. So we'll see how this looks like on Chalmers Street. I haven't yeah, it's kind of funny because Grosse Pointe is just very, very close to here, and that's actually one of the richest zip codes in the country, I believe. But then you're on the Detroit side here. Actually, I think there's parts of this area that's near Grosse Pointe that does have some money, but I don't see it in this particular spot. But we'll drive through it and we'll just kind of capture whatever we can see here. So yeah, we're driving Detroit. If you know anything about Chalmers Street, just let me know. Probably doing some other Detroit stuff and just Michigan stuff in general. Yeah, and actually Detroit is pretty big overall, of course. It's we're at an always stop sign right here. So this is one of many, many, many streets in Detroit. This is we're going north, so this is a south to north street. Of course. Mac, so we're kind of crossing some of these main roads. Mac Street is a main road. But I want to just stick to the street and focus and just kind of give you an overall idea. Although the Mac Street looks pretty interesting for driving as well. I might try to get to some of these other ones in the future. But usually when I do my street videos, you know, I like to stay focused to the street. Get the full feeling. Every street has a different feel, so this is the feel of this particular street. Definitely has more of a residential feel, so some of those main ones will have more business districts like the Mac that we just passed. And we could actually just keep going down Chalmers, or we might just take a Highway 94. I think I might just give you a taste of it and then hop on I-94. I don't think it's going to change too much. we'll see. When we get to I-94, I think I'm kind of expecting a little bit more commercial activity, so I think we are seeing a little bit of it right now already. Yeah, the streets that we cross definitely have a lot more commercial activity. Nice brick homes in here. This actually looks kind of cool. I'll just kind of show you what they look like a little bit. It's actually look kind of nice, look real nice. Yeah, actually I was you can take I-94, but if the houses look as cool as this, I might want to stick to this and kind of show more of them. It's kind of cool, those garbage cans right there. They have like a little symbol of Detroit on them as well, so. Yeah, I like all these little homes in here, all these brick homes. So I could just keep on going down Chalmers Street. Or I could even just hop on a highway. There's a lot of highways that crisscross all over Detroit, and then it's kind of cool that that building on the corner there has like a Mother Mary, Baby Jesus. Let's see. Harper. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go down Harper and then I'm gonna jump on 94, so I have to go left. So maybe I'll just stick with the camera a little bit. We'll go down Harper and then we're gonna go, says the we're gonna go to hop on 94 North. It does give you an idea a little bit of Detroit anyways. About 3 p.m. on a Thursday, by the way. So we're on Harper. What we're doing is just going to get on the I-94 sign, so we're going to kind of follow that a little bit. There it is. They're getting a little bit of rain. I-94. So we're going to jump on that and kind of give you a little idea of the traffic as well. Let me just see if I can go over that way. There we go. They're pretty cool homes though. I don't know if I can take a left on here or not. Okay, so we're gonna hop on this highway and head north. So you get a little idea of Detroit. And you also get an idea of what it looks like from the highway. So now we're on East 94, and I'm not going to go too much longer, but at least you kind of got a little bit of an idea. Harper Avenue. Okay, so yeah, we'll keep giving you some more Michigan videos as well, some Michigan driving videos. Kind of cool. So Grosse Pointe, so even that street that we're on kind of paralleled with Grosse Pointe, which is a different zoned city. Don't know if they call it a city or not, but anyways, it's not Detroit. It's really there's a lot of money there. It's one of the wealthiest zip codes in the United States, as far as I know. Or at least it used to be. There might be Hollywood Hills or Malibu, could be more, but that traditionally that used to be the place with the most money in America. Anyways, we got lots of traffic, and we're just kind of on the Detroit highway system now, and it's gonna look kind of like this throughout our driving through Detroit. So okay, let's end it there. So hope you like that one. A little bit of Detroit driving in Michigan. Yeah.